Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Eufy Genie Wi-Fi smart speaker with Amazon Alexa. There is actually not much information on the box. Over here it says, over here it says it's integrated with Amazon Alexa and all different keywords that you can use to use Alexa. Over here it says it comes with far-field voice recognition, voice control with your smartphone, and whole room audio quality. And that's all the information we have. I will open this box and show you what's inside. Okay, so there's some more information here. It says the all-in-one smart home collection. It comes with robot vacuums, health, lighting, and power solution. So there you go. These are the components of your box. We have a couple of documents first. This is important safety instructions from Eufy, and we also have this user manual for this particular product. Everything that you want to know, how to set up, how to connect to Eufy Home app, etc. you will know through this. We also have a 3.5 connecting cable. There you go, 3.5mm aux cable, and this is the power cable. This is basically the power adapter for this particular smart speaker. Okay, now let's take a look at the Genie Wi-Fi smart speaker itself. There's a plastic layer over here. Let me just remove that. There we go. There we go. It comes with this piano black finish on one end and matte black finish on the other. There is a micro USB charging port over here, and this is the 3.5mm port over here as well. This is a micro USB charging adapter, just in case I forgot to mention that. Okay, on the top you have all the control panel. There is a plus minus button for changing tracks and changing volume. This is the button that's used for controlling Alexa, and this is your on off button. Let's just turn this on and see what it's like. Okay, I think this needs to be charged first. This is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Eufy Genie Wi-Fi smart speaker with Amazon Alexa. Thank you for watching.